Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Brooke, the Awesome Epic, and today I'm back with another video. So today was sports day, and I did a good job and came first in the egg and spoon race. So basically, my mum bought me some slime. So there's 14 colours in the slime. I got yellow, purple, pink, and blue. So, you guys, I thought I need to mix them because I'm wondering what it will make. So, I have on Instagram, my account, asked my friends on my account, on my story, if I should mix I think it was blue and yellow together, or pink and purple. So this is like my family and friends. So I'm just gonna check up on if anyone's seen it, and then in a few minutes you'll see. Don't know if anyone's seen it. Let me sigh. I'm just redoing it, guys. I did it wrong. At the moment, no one's seen it. Don't think. I'm just sorting this out because I've accidentally done something. At the moment, no one's voted. I just randomly put no to see if anyone's put no. But at the moment, that's it. There's no votes yet. Only one people's seen it, so I'll leave that for a bit longer. So I'll show you my slimes first. So as I said, we have the blue slime. Just tell me in the comments down below, tell me how you make a bubble. Because I don't know can you make it with this stuff? Let's see if I can. I don't know how to do it. So there's the blue slime. We have the pink slime, which is here. It's like a dancing queen. Oi! We have some yellow, which is very weird because look. We have some purple slime. Not here, so jiggly. Ah! Ooh, that was so close. This just fell into this. So they're the slimes I have. So right now we're just waiting. I'm gonna check it again. Well, this is good. We've got one vote for yes and one vote for no. The one vote for no is me, so let's not use that. Only because I just wanted to see, as I said. So I've got one vote so far. Give it a few more minutes, because I posted this quite a while ago. Because, I think, yeah, it's yes. Yeah, it's yes. So, got to mix yellow and blue together. So, this is the yellow, as I said, on its own. This is the blue. I'm going to do a tiny bit first. Tiny bit. Smells bad. It's supposed to. Right, the moment of truth. Let's mix these bits, tiny bits. It makes this colour. Okay. Now let's go for the big test. Mixing it all. I'm sorry I had to do this to you, slime. But I'm sure all the fans out there watching this wants me to do this. Hopefully, it looks alright, I suppose. Not the best, but looks alright. Now I'm going to mix these two, I think. I've had an idea, so I've joined it a bit. I'm going to roll the pink. There we go. Oh, this was a lovely colour, now it's just going to... Oh, it might turn green. This one won't, but this one might. This one's turning like a greeny colour. Great. I just ruined my slime. Who cares? Ruined my slime. No! Ruined! Mum.
What?
Look.
You can pick it up.
Yeah, I can pick it up, because before I couldn't pick it up. This probably looks wrong. So this is what we got. It's a nice colour. So now, should I mix this and this together? So I don't know, it said on the packet mix them. Apparently it makes a nice colour. I don't know if I believe them. At the moment it is quite nice. It's like a rainbow. And this is the result we got. We've got this. I like it. That was a good thing to do. It came in this little pot, so let's put it back in there. But now I feel like I've got less slime. Ew, look how greasy my hands are. Ew, ew, ew. So, thank you so much for watching me mix my slimes today. I'm probably going to do some slime reviews. Maybe. Feel like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I have crazy stuff coming up. You never know, on Sunday I might film something on that day because something special's happening. You guys might already know. Well, if you already know, well, I don't know, you're crazy, but it'd be like mind reader. Get in the comments down below what you think's gonna happen on July. In July, the first day of July, which is Sunday. Oh, something amazing is going to happen on July the 1st. So I might do a review on that. So as I said, you guys comment down below what you think is going to be happening on July the 1st. And then I will be replying to your comments. Well, trying to be, to some. My mum knows. We'll give them a hint.
Balloons.
She said balloons.
Maybe.
She said maybe balloons. And there's a place we're also going on Sunday, so I might do a review on that. I might definitely, but I might if I have time, because there's going to be lots of things happening. Ah! Let me just see if anyone's done anything else. Oh, great. That's amazing, isn't it? When I mix my slime together, I check. And what do I get? Yes, 50%. No, 50%. Are you actually kidding? I need to what? I need to look. Who voted for this? Because I'm sad. Who voted for this? Oh, 50-50. For people. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'm just in my PJs right now because I'm sweating like hell. So I'll see you all. I can't talk. I'll see you all in the next video. Stay awesome. Hit the notification bell to oh, I know. Get notified when I have uploaded a new video. Hit the like button if you like slime and like this video. But if you didn't like this video, you can leave a dislike. I don't really care, to be honest. Just do what you feel like. Leave a comment down below of what you think, what's going to happen on Sunday, as I said, July the 1st. Mum, I'll give you the clue, and my mum said again, maybe balloons. Hi. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, as I said. See you soon. Stay awesome. Love you guys. See you, again later. I think we should just leave now. So